Hi students, so under flexible budget today we are going to discuss with it question number 24th. Okay na? So previously we have completed 22 and 23. So listen carefully ma. A factory is currently working to 50% capacity and produces 10,000 units. Nothing but here the question what he has given means at 50% capacity it is producing 10,000 units. Estimate the profits of the company when it works to 60% and 80% capacity. So here we have to calculate the budget for 60% capacity and 80% capacity. So for that first of all what we have to do, we have to calculate the units. Why? Because he has given units for only this 50%. Nothing but for 50% capacity it is producing 10,000 units. Then you have to find the units for 60% and 80%. Means for 60% how much, for 80% capacity how much you have to calculate. Okay na? So ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి అమ్మా ఏమి ఇచ్చిండు వాడు 50% కెపాసిటీకి 10,000 యూనిట్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తారని వాడు ఇచ్చిండు. బడ్జెట్ మనకు దేనికి చేయమన్నాడు, 60% అండ్ 80% కెపాసిటీకి బడ్జెట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నాడు వాడు. సో దానికి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి, యూనిట్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి. అంటే 60% లెవెల్లో ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయొచ్చు, 80% కెపాసిటీ లెవెల్లో ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయొచ్చు అనేది ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఆ యూనిట్స్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో చూడండి ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ. సో ఫర్ 50% ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 10,000 మీన్స్ ఫర్ 60% హౌ మచ్, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ 12,000 యూనిట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్ 50% ఇఫ్ ఇట్ 10,000 యూనిట్స్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ 80% హౌ మచ్, యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ 16,000 యూనిట్స్. Okay, so here we got the units, 12,000 units and 16,000 units. Now continuation, you see at 60% working, raw material cost increases by 2%, he has said. So at 60% capacity level, raw material cost will be increased by 2%. Here material how much he has given, 100 rupees. This will be increased by 2%, he is saying. Means 100 into 2% you have to do, 2 rupees will be increased. And selling price falls by 2%, he has said. So selling price is how much, sold at 200 per unit he has given na? So this will be the selling price. So this selling price fall means what, decrease. It is decreased by 2%. Nothing but at 60% capacity level, material cost is increased by 2% and selling price has been decreased by 2%. Next at 80%, material cost is increased by 5% and selling price falls by 5%. At 80% capacity what happened, material cost has been increased by 5% and selling price has been fall by 5%. Okay. At 50% capacity working, the product cost is 180 rupees per unit. So total for preparing one product at 50% capacity, its cost is 180. That 180 rupees is divided as follows ma. Material 100, labor 30, fixed overhead 30, administration overhead 20 he has given. Okay, now we will calculate the material cost for 60%. Okay, and material cost for 80%, selling price for 60% and selling price for 80% capacity. Okay, once you see the working notes here. See here. So material, actual material cost how much, it is 100 rupees. So at 60% level what he has said, it is increased by 2%, he has said. So 100 into 2% you do. 100 plus 2 means how much it has increased, 102. With 2 rupees it has been increased. Same selling price. Selling price has been decreased by 2%. So 200 minus 200 into 2% means 200 minus 4. At 60% capacity level, the selling price is how much now? 196. Same thing for 80%, but here 5% you have to take. So at 80% capacity level, material 100 into 5% we have to increase. So it will be 105. Selling price 200 into 5% you have to decrease. It will be 190. Okay, these are the material price, selling price, material price and selling price in case of 60% and 80% capacity levels. Okay, now it is clear now. Next, once you see the table here, so 10,000 units, 12,000 units, 16,000 units, per unit rupees, per unit rupees, per unit rupees we have to take for all these things. So first materials 100 rupees. At 100% capacity level it is, at 50% capacity level it is 100 rupees. At 12,000, at 80%, 60% capacity level it is 102 rupees. Here we have calculated. And at 80% capacity level it is 105. Now what we have to do, 100 into 10,000. 102 into 12,000, 105 into 16,000, you will be getting value. Next, labor at 50% capacity level it is 30 rupees. For 60% and 80% is also 30 rupees. Here there are no changes in case of labor. Okay na? So materials we have taken, labor we have taken. Next, what he has given, once you see in the question mark, fixed overheads he has, factory overhead he has given 30 rupees. In that 40% fixed is saying. 40% fixed, same like previous problems we have done. So in this 30 rupees 40% fixed he is saying, means what? So 30 rupees 40% fixed means remaining 60% will be how much? Variable. Okay, so here first of all we have to calculate fixed separately and variable separately in case of factory overhead. Under factory overhead we have to calculate fixed and variable. సో ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఓవర్హెడ్ ఏమి ఇచ్చింది చూడండి అమ్మ, 40% ఫిక్స్డ్ అన్నాడు. అంటే ఈ 30 రూపీస్లో 40% ఫిక్స్డ్ ఉంటుంది, రిమైనింగ్ 60% వేరియబుల్ ఉంటుంది. సో అది మనం డివైడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇలానే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫిక్స్డ్ 30 into 40%, 30 into 40% means how much? 12 rupees. 12 rupees, 12 into 10,000 is how much? 1,20,000. So in the previous problems what I have said, fixed will be same for all the units. Fixed will be same, fixed amount will be same for all the units. Per unit we have to change, per unit we have to change ma here. Okay, see what I have done. Once you see fixed 30 into 40%, 12 rupees we got. 12 into, first you calculate 10,000, so 1,20,000. Amount will be same for all the capacities, for 60% and 80% capacity levels amount will be same. Here per unit we have to change. How we have to change per unit? 1,20,000 divided by 16,000, 1,20,000 divided by 12,000, then you will be getting a per unit. Okay na? సో క్వశ్చన్లో మనకి ఫిక్స్డ్ ఏమన్నాడు అమ్మా, 30 రూపీస్లో 40% ఫిక్స్డ్ అన్నాడు. సో 40% చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 12 రూపీస్ వచ్చింది. 12 into 10,000 చేయండి, ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1,20,000 వచ్చింది. సో 1,20,000 వచ్చింది కదా. సో ఫిక్స్డ్ ఏమని చెప్పాను నేను ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో కూడా, అమౌంట్లు అన్నీ సేమ్ ఉంటాయి, ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ అయినా ఎన్ని కెపాసిటీ లెవెల్స్కి అయినా అమౌంట్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది ఫిక్స్డ్ అని చెప్పిన. సో 12,000 యూనిట్స్ కూడా 1,20,000 వేయాలి, 16,000 యూనిట్స్ కూడా 1,20,000 వేయాలి. కానీ పర్ యూనిట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? పర్ యూనిట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో 1,20,000 డివైడెడ్ బై 7.5, 1,20,000 డివైడెడ్ బై 12,000, 10. ఓకేనా? ఫిక్స్డ్ అలా చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్, so here what happened? Variable we have to calculate. So and 30 rupees 40% is fixed na, so remaining 60% will be variable, remaining 60% will be the variable. So 30 into 60% is how much? 18. In case of variable per unit will be same, in case of variable per unit will be same, 18 18 18. Amount will differ, 18 into 10,000, 18 into 12,000 and 18 into 16,000. Okay, next what he has given? Administration overhead 50% fixed he has said. In 20 rupees 50% fixed he has said, means 50% will be fixed and 50% will be variable. Okay, so 20 into 50% first you do 10 into 10,000 is how much? 1 lakh. Amounts you have to take same for all the units, 1 lakh 1 lakh. Now 1 lakh divided by 16,000 you will be getting 6.25, 1 lakh divided by 12,000 you will be getting 8.3. Next calculate variable. Okay, variable is also 50% he has said, not 20 into 50%. If fixed is 50% means variable will be 50%. So 20 into 50% is how much? 10. So per unit you have to take same, 10 10 10. So 10 into 10,000 1 lakh, 10 into 12,000 1,20,000, 10 into 16,000 is 1,60,000. Now total it. Okay, total all the columns. Okay, it 18 lakhs, it is 21 lakhs 40,000, and this is 28 lakhs 28,000. And selling, this will be the total cost. Now what we have to do here? We have to take the selling price. Selling price for 50% capacity level is how much? 200. 200 into 10,000 is 20 lakhs. Selling price for 12,000 capacity level is 196. We have calculated now here. Once you see, okay, 196. So 196 into 12,000 you have to do. You will be getting 23 lakhs 52,000. Next, selling price for 16,000 units is 190. 190 into 16,000 you have to do. You will be getting 30 lakhs 40,000. Now deduct from selling price, deduct the total cost. Finally, you will be getting the profit. Finally, you will be getting the profit. Okay, this is the question number 24. Okay,